Hello everyone. In part 1, I told you formula introduction of this chapter. In this video, we will learn exercise. In exercise 6.1 from NCERT, first I will explain NCERT book, after that ML Agrawal. Exercise 6.1. NCERT. First question. In triangle PQR, in triangle PQR, PQR, clear? PM is at altitude and PD is median. First part is asking line PM is, means PM is what? PM is altitude and line PD is median. Altitude means I told you, if from vertex perpendicular line on the opposite side is going on, that is altitude, and median means it is divided in two equal parts, this line, clear? Is QM equal to MR? Third one is asking, is QM equal to MR? QM equal to MR. QM equal to MR. It is no, because it is an altitude, not a median. D is the median of QR. Okay, means answer is no. If in the question was given QD equal to DR, then that is equal. So in the first question, figure is given and question is this, asking PM is what? It is altitude. PD is median. QM equal to MR? No. Clear? Note down this. Second question, draw rough sketch for the following. Means in second question, whatever question is given, that you make figure. Second is triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, B is a median. In triangle ABC, ABC is a triangle, B is a median. The median, I told you, the line segment joining a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. Clear? Mid side of the opposite side is called a median. B is the median. Means in question number second day, given is the question and draw a rough sketch. So only sketch you will make. And second BC also you will do like this. In triangle PQR, PQ and PR are altitude of the triangle. Altitude there you will make. Clear? XYZ YL is there is also altitude you will make. And question number 3, verify by drawing a diagram if the median and altitude of an isosceles triangle can same. Clear? So there also you will make figure only. Isosceles means there is two sides are equal. Isosceles triangle I told you, if in any triangle two sides are equal, that is isosceles. So there you will make a in the figure altitude of the triangle. So you can do that also. So this exercise is completed. Only 3 questions are there. Note down. Now exercise 6.2. In exercise 6.2, one formula I will tell you before starting this exercise. With the help of that formula, you can do all the questions of this exercise. Clear? Formula. So first of all, formula we will write. Sum of interior opposite angles equal to exterior angle. Clear? It is a formula. Sum of interior opposite angles equal to exterior. Clear? With the help of this formula, you can do all the question of this exercise. First question, find the value of the unknown exterior angles in the following diagrams. First one is it is 7. Clear? See, here is 2 angle is given and it is exterior angle value is not given. Clear? Asking find the value of here. First of all, we will write the formula. Sum of interior opposite angles equal to exterior angle. Clear? Interior opposite angle means the sum of interior opposite angle. So interior opposite angle means 70 degree plus 50 degree. Exterior angle is x. Interior means inside. It is in triangle. That's why it is an interior angle. And it is exterior means outside of the triangle. Clear? 70 plus 50, 120 degree equal to x. Means x equal to 120. It is the answer. Note down. First, second. Second question is, it is a triangle. Exterior angle is x and interior angle is it is 65 and it is 45 degree. Clear? From that formula you can do this. Sum of interior opposite angles equal to exterior angle. Clear? Means 65 plus 45 equal to x. 110. X equal to 110 degree. Note down. Question number first, fifth. Third, 4 you can do. It is also you can do from that formula. and 50 and it is x. Clear? You can write sum of two interior opposite angles equal to exterior angle. Clear? So 2 interior angle means 50 degree plus 50 degree equal to x. Clear? 50 plus 50, 100 means x equal to 100 degree. The first question completed. Second one. 6.2 second question. Find the value of unknown interior angle. Clear? Means in this question, in two interior angle, one interior angle is not given. First is variable, means second one exterior angle value given and interior opposite angle, one angle is not given, 115, and it is a 50 degree, it is a x. Clear? I told you formula. From that formula you can do this formula. Each and every question you will write sum of interior opposite angles equal to exterior angle. Clear? Means x plus 50 degree equal to 115 degree, means x equal to 115 minus 50, then x equal to 65. Means in previous question, in first question you have done only plus, but here in two interior angle, one is not unknown. The unknown angle when you will find, so you will do transposition, means you will do subtract from exterior angle to interior angle. Clear? X plus 50 equal to 115, then x equal to 115 plus 50, there you will write, sign will be changed, 115 minus 50 equal to 65. If you want to check your answer is correct or not, you can do plus 65 plus 50. When you will do, you will get 115. Note down. Second you can do. Third one I am explaining. Third one is this type is given. Clear? It is a x, it is like this given, and it is a exterior angle is 125. See, if this type sign is given there, means that is a 90 degree. Clear? Means sum of interior opposite angle equal to exterior angle. Clear? Sum of two interior opposite angles equal to exterior angle. Exterior is 125, interior is x plus 90 degree. Clear? Means x plus 90 degree equal to 125. Then x equal to 125 minus 90, x equal to 35. 125 minus 90 when you will do, you will get 35 degree. Clear? Means x equal to 35. Means second interior angle is how much? 35 degree. Once again I am explaining. X plus 90. Why 90? We are taking because this sign. It is a 90 degree. It is a symbol of 90 degree. X plus 90 equal to 125. It is exterior angle. Then x equal to 125 minus 90 equal to 30. Second, fifth part. It is the last question of this exercise. Exercises are not very large. Only 1 and 2 question is given there. Clear? With the help of that formula, means sum of interior opposite angle equal to exterior angle. means x plus 30 equal to 80. X equal to 80 minus 30, then x equal to 50. Clear? Note down. And last part you can do. This exercise is also complete. Clear? Now exercise 6.3. There is also only 2 questions given. In first part, first question, find the value of unknown in the following diagram. In this exercise, you can do with the help of angle sum property. First question, triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, it is AX, it is 50 and it is 60 degree. Clear? Angle sum property means angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Clear? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. By angle sum property, put the value of angle A, B and C. A means x, B means 50 degree, C means 60 degree equal to 180, then x plus 110 equal to 180. X equal to transposition we will do. X equal to 180 minus 110. X equal to 70 degree. Here is the value of A. Clear? Angle sum property means A plus B plus C equal to 180 by angle sum property. X plus 50 plus 60 equal to 180. 60 plus 50 means 110. X plus 110 equal to 180. X equal to 180 minus 110. Then x equal to 70 degree. Note down. Second part you can do. X plus 90 plus 30 equal to 180. Third one, is it is 110. Clear? It is 30 and it is x. Clear? Asking value x, y, z. I told you angle x plus angle y plus angle z equal to 180 by angle sum property. Means 30, 110 plus x equal to 180. 140 plus x equal to 180, then x equal to 180 minus 140, x equal to 40 degree. Clear? Note down. Next one, last one, 6. There is given figure. It is like a right angle triangle. Okay? It is a 90 degree. It is 2x and it is a x. Clear? You can do sum. X plus 2x plus 90 degree equal to 180. Why 180 you are taking? By angle sum property. Angle sum property means x plus 2x 3x plus 90 equal to 180 degree. Then 3x equal to 180 minus 90. 3x equal to 90 degree. X equal to 90 by 3. 30. x equal to 30 degree. Note down. Second question, find the value of the unknown x and y. Second one is it is y 120 50 degree and it is a x. Clear? It is a very simple. First of all, find the value of y. We know that y plus 120 equal to 180 degree by linear pair. Clear? Then y equal to 180 minus 120. Y equal to 60 degree. Means y equal to how much? 60. After that, find the value of x also. X plus y plus 50 equal to 180 by angle sum property. Y equal to 60. So x plus 50 100, x plus 60 plus 50 means 110. X equal to 180 minus 110. X equal to 70. Clear? X plus y plus 50 equal to 180. Angle sum property. Y equal to 60. Put the value. X plus 60 plus 50 equal to 180. X plus 110 equal to 180. X equal to 180 minus 110. Then x equal to 70 degree. Okay? Second and third you can do. Fourth part I am explaining you. Figure is clear? It is x, it is 60, it is y, and it is 30. So x equal to 60 degree by vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. X equal to 60 degree. After that, y plus x plus 30 equal to 180 by angle sum property. So y plus 60 plus 30 equal to 180. Y plus 90 equal to 180. Then y equal to 180 minus 90. Y equal to 90 degree. Clear? Note down. Second last one. Clear? It is y, it is x. It is x, it is also x. Clear? No problem is there. Clear? See, it is a triangle. Okay? One angle is y degree. We can do it is also y. It is also y we can take. Clear? Y plus y equal to 180 by angle sum property. Clear? 3y equal to 180. Then y equal to 180 by 3. Y equal to 60 degree. Means it is also 60. It is 60 and it is also. All the y value is 60 degree. Asking x also. X equal to y. Vertically opposite angle. Here x equal to 60 degree. Means x equal to 60 and y equal to 60. Clear? This exercise is completed. Okay, thank you, students.